Say hi.
Hi.
Are you done now? Oh, you showing them your balloon? Okay. All right. See you later.
Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I comb my hair and sometimes I won't.
Hello you guys, Cimplycece here, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys have seen the video, you're probably like, girl, where have you been? And some of y'all have asked. Thank y'all for those who checked on me. I've been good, just super duper busy because I was trying to work 2 jobs. It was good, you know, money, extra money, whatever. But that's why I haven't been filming. But let's jump into this video because some of you guys have a lot of new subscribers. And first, before we jump into the video, I really got to say thank you guys so much for everybody that has subscribed since my last video upload, which was over 2 months ago. I love and appreciate each and every one of you guys, like for real, from my heart. And I try to go back and comment to everybody that's comment. If I missed you, I promise it's coming. I really try to respond to everybody while I'm still very small because I like being able to be a little bit personal with you guys. But if you are new to my channel and you've never clicked on any of my videos and for some reason this is your first one, hi, my name is Cece, and here on my channel I like to focus on faith, fashion, fitness, and some beauty, and I'm currently documenting my sister-like journey. Now, the faith, fashion, and fitness been kind of on hold, but I got a video already recorded for fashion, and I haven't even been doing any of my fitness work. Like, I feel like I'm losing my gains because I haven't been able to go to the gym, but I have let go, or I ain't gonna say let go of the second job, but I've eased off of it a ton. I'm off from that job the next 2 weeks because I needed it. And so I'm trying to bring all of that content back. I was almost tempted to change it, but you know what? I was like, no, it's something I love and I'm passionate about, and I miss you guys. Like, I literally miss talking to my phone to you guys. So let me get my stuff I need. You guys, hold on. I know y'all can hear me. But anyway, in this video, we are going to, sorry about that lighting. Clearly the sun is setting. But we are going to be detoxing our locks for the first time. I have never detoxed my locks, but your girl got some buildup in the front and I just wanted to try it. So I went to my local vitamin shop and I picked up this Plant Organics. I guess that's what the PLNT is. And it is this, you guys. I got this apple cider vinegar and with the mother. I don't know what that means, but it's raw, unfiltered, vegan, non-GMO, and it says kosher, whatever it is. And it's best by August 20th of 25. So anyways, take 1 teaspoon between or after meals as desired. Shake well before you use it. Anyway, I'm gonna use it on my hair because I heard apple cider vinegar is a great detox. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna braid and bend our hair, and I can fill you guys in on where I've been. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna detox with this. I have not watched any videos on detoxing this. So, and I like to do that because I like to come at you guys kind of raw and just my thing to see if it works. But I'm always open to suggestions. So make sure you use the comment section down below if you guys have any suggestions for me. And I also picked up this rose water. I love rose water. I don't know if that's coming in clear. No, it's focused on me. Focus on the rose water. Yes, I picked this up and it's in a sprayer now, but I'm going to dilute it with some water and mist it on my hair like I used to. I do like that. And then while we're braiding and banding, if you watch any of my braiding bands with me, because I'm using it as a chit-chat, I'm going to be using just some water in this bottle and my rubber bands, of course. Let me grab some. I'm unprepared. I ain't filmed in a while, so your girl ain't got nothing ready. Nothing. All right, there's 2, there's 3. Okay, I'm gonna just use these scrunchies to section my hair. And that's it. I'm trying to get in. So y'all see this little bit of buildup. I have a ton. Look at this. Your girl has been using gel. Yes, you heard it here first, people. Gel on their hair, and I could tell. So, and usually it washes out good, but I feel like this is a good time to see if it comes out even better when I use the apple cider vinegar to detox. And it's like experimental. So let's get into this braiding and banding video, you guys. I'm gonna go in and section my hair really quick. I'm not doing anything special. I'm really gonna just part off the bottom half under my occipital bone and just bring the rest up to the top into a ponytail. So crusty and dusty. So you guys, I haven't uploaded it and I have been contemplating if I was going to or not. You guys, I did my last retile myself and I did use product because I did it like micro locks, Although I consulted with my Sisterlock consultant, and I'm definitely doing it wrong. Microlocks is not the same as Sisterlocks, so I'll probably take a class if I want to do it again. I guess if I'm desperate for any reason, I can always just do what I did, because I'll show you guys some footage of it, what it looked like. It turned out really, really good. I think I did a really good job. But like I said, I am, what I've learned from my lady, I'm on a 4-point rotation. And I think that's important. She said I can create weak spots in my locks. So I probably won't be doing it anytime soon. And if I do it, because I just want to, because I am kind of a neat freak a little bit about my hair. Yes, Raven?
You didn't get the owl cake.
The owl cake?
You didn't get the cake.
Okay, Raven, are you talking about for your Barbie's party?
Yeah.
Why don't you get it? You can get it. I told you I help you build it and then you can finish it, okay, baby?
I already did.
Okay, good. So you having fun?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, love you a little bit.
Okay.
All right, I'll see you later.
Okay.
All right, bye-bye. That is Raven, if you guys have never met Raven. She is 4 now, so my baby ain't no little baby. She's a big girl. But anyways, yeah, so there's a lady I can consult to take classes on how to retie my Sisterlocks. So I'm considering that. I haven't reached out to her, but my consultant did give me the number, so I can do that if I want to. Typically I spray these. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. But like I said, I don't want to create weak spots. So I always, and if I share that video, I talk about that in there, that even though I did them myself, I was going to talk to my lady about everything I did. So I can see if long term I would ruin my locks. And she said it's a chance I could. So yeah, if I want to do it again, I will do, go ahead and invest and probably take a little class. She said it's 101, so I can learn how to retie them for myself. But I'm not doing it right now. I go in a couple of days. I go not tomorrow, which will be Tuesday. I go Wednesday, which I don't know when this video is going up, but it's sometime this week. But I'm going to braid and band today and detox and just let them be free, or I might rock them in their braids for a couple of days, because sometimes I do that. Like, I don't mind. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I want a little bit more hair in this one. So, and I don't have a rhyme or reason on how I grabbed this hair at all. If I was retying my hair myself, from my experience of doing it that one time, I would definitely section it off on and follow my grid pattern, because I feel like when you're doing it yourself, it makes it a lot easier to follow it. Since I take it off, and I don't take all my hair down at once when I was doing it myself, because it's just too much hair and I didn't want to be accidentally interlocking locks where they shouldn't have been interlocked. Y'all, if you've done your own locks, you know what I'm talking about. And I did do one. I did manage to separate it, but yeah. And I felt it, but when I did it, it was so tight I couldn't undo it. But I did manage to separate it after it grew out some. So we're all good there, or at least I hope we are. Look, y'all can see all that. That's gel, you guys. So I'm hoping this apple cider vinegar is gonna work some miracles for us. Anything else I want to chit chat with you about? Yeah, that's it. I had a lot of frizz when I redid my locks, and my plan was, if I kept doing them, I was going to show you guys how I did it. But since I'm not redoing them this time, and I did not film it because I typically don't like filming videos, because I know videos like that, people may want to copy me or, use it as inspiration to do their own. And I just was like, I don't want to teach somebody how to do something wrong. Like, I looked at somebody else's and I'm like, that's on my own. But if I ever do it again, I'll make sure to share with you guys what I did to retie my hair. Anything else? That's about it, you guys. So I'll probably speed through this, so I'll get to the end so we can get to detoxing. And then when we're about to mix up apple cider vinegar and our water and everything, I'll come back to you guys. So now what we're gonna do is open up some pretzels. Cause I want a little snack. But I'm gonna take this little water bottle. I bought it from Walmart for $1. I just got some filtered water out of my refrigerator, and I'm going to just fill it up about halfway. All right. Then I'm going to take my apple cider vinegar, which I need to open. It's gonna be easy. Oh, it's easy. Okay. As it says, shake well. Yeah, these have some little bits on the bottom, but they are now, I guess, dissolved up in the stuff. And I'm going to take, ooh, smell like apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to fill the bottle the rest of the way with this. Hopefully I didn't just overfill it and it's going to spill. All right, I'm going to just shake that. Okay, so what I also got was some conditioning caps. I just got these from Walmart because that's the only place I wanted to go today. I didn't feel like running around. But like I said, I got the apple cider vinegar from Vitamin Shop though. Let me open these. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, like I said, I've never done this before. This is just my idea. Is I'm going to take a cap, maybe a towel, and I'm going to spray my hair. I really want to concentrate on this hairline here, you guys, where I have this obvious buildup. And yeah, I want to focus on really getting to that. So I'm going to hit that first. Ooh. I'm going to just kind of overspray those little areas. And then I'm going to just spray all over, because I don't think I have the buildup anywhere else like that, but since I'm just kind of detoxing them, ooh, it stink. I mean, I don't even know if it stink. It's just a very intense smell. And I don't know if I need more than that, so I'm gonna just go, ooh. Yep, good thing I had a towel, because yes ma'am. I'm gonna cover my forehead, you guys, and proceed to spray. Now, I just want to see if it's gonna break up and eat through that. So my focus is where I know I have the buildup. All right. Ooh, it smells so bad. I'm gonna put my cap on. Trying to hurry up so I can catch all that liquid that's trying to run out, and I'm gonna push it up to my hairline so it's not running down all over my forehead. I'm gonna get in the shower after this anyway. What I'm gonna do is allow that to sit on my hair for about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna proceed to shampoo. And I'll probably film that, but I'll just speed through it. I already shared a video, shared how I shampoo my hair on here. I will do like a not neutralizing, clarifying shampoo first, especially since I have buildup, and then I'm gonna follow with my Sisterlocks shampoo. So I will see you guys downstairs. Okay, you guys, sorry about the lighting. We are back. I'm going to show you. Let me throw this back. That stinks. All right, I'm gonna show you what the hairline is looking. It does to me look like it broke through it a little bit, but it's still there. And I would say all around here is itching. So what we're gonna do is now we're gonna rinse this really good with some, warm water. And then I'm going to go in, let's bring you down, all the way down, because we're gonna be here, and I'm gonna scoot you back some. All right, I'm going to rinse it, then we're gonna go in with our Care first lather. Then we're gonna follow that with the starter shampoo from Sisterlocks, and I might run some conditioner through it, maybe. I don't know yet. I just brought it just in case I was feeling like doing that. But I'm gonna get this water warm, and I'm going to get this off my scalp because it itches. It's uncomfortable. But yeah, like you see, it looks more gooey, so hopefully that's a good thing. So I did a little check. I still got some little buildup right here on this lock. The other side looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead with my Sisterlocks shampoo now. I feel like it can probably pull that little bit out because I don't want to dry my scalp out too much. Okay, you guys, so we are done shampooing, and I think I would call it a success. In the front, that's clean. On the sides, I feel like I still see a tiny bit in there and a tiny bit there. So that is the dangers of using gel, and I really need to let that go. Seriously, y'all don't gotta tell me, but I need to let it go so I don't have spots. But overall, I'm happy with that because it was looking a lot worse. You guys saw it. And I will talk to you guys then. Bye, ladies.